Let's jump right into Sirena. Imagine this. Your business receives a new message. You can see a welcome message sent automatically. Then type a / to access the list of customized quick replies. Select one and hit enter. Now, this conversation belongs to your inbox. With Sirena, say goodbye to private WhatsApp conversations. Now, everyone is writing from only one WhatsApp account. You can see every team member's inbox, as well as which conversation is pending a reply or has been scheduled for later. The interface, as you can see, it's quite similar to the WhatsApp that your team is already using. You can send voice messages, images, and documents, just as simple as WhatsApp. And as a plus, in Sirena, you can add private notes or sales quotes that will enrich the client details without sharing the information in the chat. You can also transfer this whole conversation history to another agent or to another team. The sales team could transfer it to logistics or to billing, depending on how you organize your business. Right here, you can see an administration panel where you can review live reports and performance trends of your team. This is ideal for managers who need to understand how is the business performing while chatting with clients. You could see how many customers are waiting for a response, for how long, and who is responsible for those pending activities. You could also search for any current or past conversation, filter them, and peek into each of them to check what's going on. Sirena is the tool that allows your whole team to be connected under a single WhatsApp line, no complications, avoiding using their personal WhatsApp numbers. As a business manager, you'll be able to know everything about the conversations your team is having with your clients, giving you both a general overview and a tracking tool of the WhatsApp channel. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp our team using the link in the description below or send us a message to schedule a call to assess what's the best plan that fits your business.